I'm going to show you guys how to get 0% APR on a camper van. It's completely possible. I've done it twice. I'm going to show you guys the hack. Hey guys, it's Christmas, so I wanted to drop you guys a present because the right season's coming up for this, where you guys can utilize this hack. So I'm going to show you guys how I got 0% on this camper van and also the camper van before this. And each time I do this, it saves me at least $10,000 to $12,000. And saving the most amount on financing is very important because we need to go ahead and utilize that money to actually build the camper van. As a lot of people just go ahead and fold up because they didn't see the upcoming expenses. Trust me, it gets to be a lot. So you're probably asking yourself, which vans are going to qualify for this? This is not going to go and apply to used vehicles, and it is not going to be offered by credit unions, commercial banks such as Wells Fargo, Chase, or Bank of America, because we need to go through the captive finance company. So I bought a Mercedes. I need to go through Mercedes-Benz Financial Services. If you want to buy a Ford, you're going to need to go through Ford Motor Credit. And this video is not just about saving money on the financing. It's also about getting the best deal on the price as well. So I'm going to talk about customer cash back, because this particular van had a $3,500 customer cash back that I found, and I told the dealer about it, and then they went and applied it. The dealers are always going to play dumb. When you call them, they want to just get you in the door, and whether you get 0% or you get 10%, they don't care. They just want to sell the car. I'm going to show you guys what to do, and towards the end of the video, I am going to hop behind the screen, show you guys how you guys can quickly find these. And honestly, if you apply this strategy I'm about to show you guys, it only takes hours to save a whole ton of money. And down below, I'll leave you guys a video on how to spot a good camper van deal, because this particular van had an MSRP of $78,000 and I got it for $58,000. So I saved $20,000 off the top, and you could do the same. And then I got that 0%. Check the links down below. Now, let's jump behind the computer screen so I can show you guys how to take advantage of the same hack. The key word here is going to be timing. So I've realized that this works best right after Christmas till about the last week of February. And we're going to hop onto Google. So type in the make and special incentives. You can scroll to right here. So if we scroll down a little bit, you'll see that Hyundai is offering 0% for 60 months. And we got 90 days with no payments. This is just one example. Then we go to Ford, and this happens to be on an F-150. You guys can see that they're offering 0%. There's going to be some bonus cash. And Ford's kind of tricky because sometimes they offer bonus cash or the APR, but they don't allow you to choose both. So before you go down to the dealer, just call ahead, find out all the special terms, or you can read them yourself. It does become a little confusing. And here on the Transit, there's no specials that are really eye-catching, such as the 0% APR. This is what I was able to take advantage of last year. So this is for Mercedes-Benz now. Mercedes-Benz is giving up an extra $4,000 in customer cash, and even another $3,000 if you have a fleet. And if you scroll down a little bit further, you can see that they actually have financing specials. Right now they have 2.9 for 36 months. This is not the offer I'm telling you guys to jump on, because you really see this take off around January 5th. I think the next change is going to be on January 3rd here, and you can tell. And what I normally do is when I'm in the buying mode, I check weekly. And if you find an offer that you like, go ahead and hit view details and go through and read this really quick. Again, do not go to the dealership. Always call them ahead of time, making sure that everything is going to be upfront. There's no catches. There's no junk fees. Some dealerships try charging junk fees for nitrogen air that can add up into the thousands of dollars. So avoid all that. Do everything from the house. And then when you're ready to pick up the vehicle, drive there. I do have a video on how to go and find the best deals, because you need to go ahead and pair the best financing with the best deals, so you have plenty of money left over to complete your van build, as it gets to be very expensive. There it is. You guys now know how to go ahead and get the 0%. As I mentioned numerous times, this happens from the end of December, and you just have to be a little bit vigilant and check on it weekly, and you will find these deals. And from personal experience, I have found this to be more true with Mercedes-Benz than Chrysler or Stellantis, and even Ford. They just don't offer much of this sort of zero APR deals at the end of the year. If there's something in this video that I forgot to mention that you feel is important, or there's a hack that you know of, please share it with me. You'll find all those links down below, including a free parts list that I used here in the camper van. Happy New Year's. Make it a great day.